Here's an Android phone, it's a Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, and when I go from the city to a remote location, the signal is lost. When I go back to the city, the signal is still not present, it doesn't return. So how to fix that problem? Well, one workaround is to hold down the power button on your phone here on the right side and restart your phone. Restarting the phone makes the signal return once again. Another quicker method of getting your signal back to call anybody and to use the internet from the service provider is to use the airplane mode. The airplane mode is a blocking feature. If I enable that, then it will cut off the internet from the service provider and it will cut off the possibility to call anybody. So by temporarily enabling the airplane mode and then disabling the airplane mode, you might get back your signal even without restarting your phone. And you might be able to see the signal signs there. Currently it's not yet available, but these two methods work for me. Either restart your phone or temporarily enable the airplane mode and then disable the airplane mode.